Hi everyone, this is me Esmatullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about we have to ask for help from our Creator. First of all, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit on the notification bell icon to get all of my new upcoming videos. Okay guys, as we are witness, we are trying to be happy and we are trying to have a good life, experience new things and goodness. But sometimes we are feeling down and we have no energy for doing that thing. What should we do? We have to ask for help. Okay, if you stuck in your goal, you have to ask for help. If you don't have anyone to respond you or you don't have anyone to help you, you think that I don't have any way for surviving. In my idea, you have one way to go and survive. You have to ask for help from your Creator. Who is your Creator? Who can really help you? You have to ask for help from Allah to help you. If you think, I don't have anyone to ask for help, you have to ask from Allah to help you because He can do whatever you want. Just you have to ask for help, okay? God is very kind. Allah is very kind and merciful. You have to ask for help, okay? If you don't have any way, if you think every door that you're knocking and they are closed, you have one door every day is open. It's the door of Allah. He will give you everything that you want. Sometimes you will confront the most bad days or bad situation. You have to be thankful for God, okay? You will survive if you ask for help from God, who is Allah. And you will be happy as soon as possible. Look at me. When Allah can turn dark night into bright day, then Allah surely can give you the brightness and can give you happiness and prosperity. Just and only you have to believe in Allah. If you lose your motivation, if you have nothing, you have to ask Allah for help. Then He surely can help you. You have to believe in Allah, okay? It doesn't matter if you're Muslim or non-Muslim, just you have to believe in your Creator and ask for help, okay? Then surely He will respond. After sometimes you will find that strong motivation and you will continue and you will find that high energy and you can continue your work and get survive. I hope you got your answer. We should always ask for help from our God and we have to always remember in bad days, in bad situation, in those days that we have no one, we have our God. We have to remember Him in every moment of our life. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if you find this video useful, please make sure to hit thumbs up. If you don't want to miss my videos, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell icon to get all of my updates. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.